Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with the pronunciation of some jobs in English. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet or you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice these jobs together. Please give it a try. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Train conductor, train conductor, train conductor. Mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. Truck driver, truck driver, truck driver. Heavy equipment operator, heavy equipment operator, heavy equipment operator. Pilot, pilot, pilot. Flight attendant, flight attendant, flight attendant. Air traffic controller, air traffic controller, air traffic controller. Ship captain, ship captain, ship captain. Sailor, sailor, sailor. Fisherman, fisherman, fisherman. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation every week. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.